Why is ordering at Subway harder than an exam? Do you always order the same thing when you eat out? Me, I have to try new flavors, so I always go for the latest menu items. Today, I went to Subway to try their new release. But am I the only one who gets nervous while ordering? I feel awkward if I don't answer the cashier right away, even when there's no one behind me. So, I got the Quattro cheese steak and mushroom, a new sandwich loaded with grilled steak, mushrooms, and 4 kinds of cheese. I picked wheat bread, added all the veggies because I love them, and went with sweet onion and mayo for the sauce. First impressions? The steak was big and juicy, and there were plenty of mushrooms. The veggies were fresh, and the sauce combo was great, but the sweet onion sauce was a bit strong, so I couldn't really taste the cheese. I wanted to end with a healthy sandwich, but hey, one cookie won't hurt, right? The raspberry cheesecake cookie was super soft and sweet. So when you go to Subway, do you pick chips or a cookie?